Yes, good night, everyone. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend for tell a friend. Away again. Yo, want to big up all of the nominees them who got nominated for the Grammy Award. You know what I say? Big up on yourself, even though I never win. Alright, with that say, let's get to the matter. Listen, I think the Grammy is a big rigged thing. It have to be rigged for Bob Marley been deceased 40 years and still collecting Grammy after him dead after 40 years. You see me? Because you have Shensia, which are a body of work for last year alone, the amount of hit song where she put out. And then you have Vibes Cartel on the other hand, a global icon that was free from prison. And the enormous impact we him have on the music scene since him come home. Right? I understand Bob Marley have a big #1 movie, yes. And the soundtrack with various artists. But now I gotta tell you, say Skip Marley song no good. You see me? But one thing that was brought to my attention that I didn't know. I didn't know that Bob Marley Kids them was the one who was nominating the Jamaican artist them for the Grammy. And with that said, with an album like Massacre album, how come Massacre don't get nominated for the Grammy? How is that possible? And how is Bob Marley still winning? Like me say, after 40 years of being deceased, Film Estate still a win Grammy. You know that's a slap in the face to all of the modern day artists who's out here working hard and putting in the hard work, right? To try to get to the pinnacle of where Bob Marley is or reach before him deceased, right? And them a try to establish themselves and them brand. And by the Grammy Awards keep giving the Bob Marley estate every year. Basically every year. When you give the Bob Marley estate an award, is either them produce it or them are the one who sing the music themselves. But some way, somehow, them always pertaining to have a connection to whoever win the Grammy. And basically, that is nonsense to me, if you ask me. That is straight nonsense. Because you can't just have one set of family in a music, especially from one genre, and them keep winning the genre every year. So basically what you're telling everybody else is them is not good enough. And the music is not good enough. Them not have the quality music to win the Grammy Award as the Bob Marley family. That's basically what you try to show the world. And the world knows that is not the truth. Because there's so much artists, brilliant and talented artists in Jamaica. Seeing? Since the passing of Bob Marley. You know what I say? Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Buju Banton, etc., etc. Everybody have them time. So, why is it in an era like this and a time like this, we choose to snub an artist like Shensia and Vibes Cartel, an iconic person where the world love and admire? Will give this man back in visa for him fly come America. So, basically, use Vibes Cartel as a global icon because you know the world are going to tune in because him is attending only to snub this man and give the award back to the Bob Marley family. For that, me personally, me abandon the Grammy Award forever because the Grammy Award is not fair. All right? It becomes an iconic award and a big name award because the little people who are putting in the work to achieve these awards, they have been cheating immensely out of them hard work and success. And it's not sitting well with me. The Grammy Award become a joke, a big mockery. So soon we're not going to have all of these dead people estate collecting awards. Man, please. It cannot be like this. And people need to start lick out and boycott. You know what I say? Because it cannot be the same. Every year, Bob Marley family them win. I respect Bob Marley and his family them. Definitely. Because the man is a global icon and put in work when he was alive. But come on, man. At 40 years now, this man passed away. You have to find somebody relevant in Jamaica. One who can build and establish as a next brand in a Jamaica than the Bob Marley family. This is ridiculous. This is totally ridiculousness. And people can't just sit back and let this thing happen. We have to voice our opinion. Them have to come down now, man. And them have control the nominees and all kind of thing. No, man, this thing have to go change. Too much gatekeeping are going on. I wouldn't like when I say too bad. Please like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Away again. Boom, 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 boom.